The birth of a child is a magnificent and incredible event that truly deserves to be referred to as a miracle. Doctors, on the other hand, who have witnessed hundreds of births and hundreds of newborn babies, are incredibly difficult to surprise. However, you are about to hear a story that will make even the most experienced midwives drop their jaws in amazement. Pregnancy may appear to be the most beautiful thing that can happen to a woman, but in order to fully appreciate the joys of motherhood, a woman's body must be healthy and prepared for the strain she will face throughout the next 9 months. Giving birth at a young age had serious repercussions in most cases, not just for the infant but also for the mother, especially given the state of medical care at the time. In the past, however, seeing a 14-year-old girl pregnant wasn't all that uncommon in some areas. However, you'll undoubtedly be startled to find that pregnancy can occur without the consent of the father in some situations. Also, if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to be motivated every day by these true stories. That is why it is critical for such a happy event as pregnancy to occur at the appropriate moment. Every pregnant lady is concerned about her baby's health, and you'll see how that could be achievable very soon. When doctors examined the infant after she was delivered, they discovered that the child had a suspected tumor while still in the womb, so she was taken for an ultrasound as soon as she was delivered, and it was discovered that she had 2 fetuses inside her. Fortunately, doctors can now perform miracles, and most complications that may emerge during pregnancy and labor can be avoided with modern medicine. So it's not unusual for a couple expecting a child to give birth to twins, triplets, or even more children. Premature babies born with serious difficulties can usually be saved and grow up to be beautiful and healthy. A girl born in Hong Kong was discovered to be pregnant 5 years ago. After all, a newborn girl's body isn't quite ready to carry a kid. Between her liver and kidney, doctors discovered 2 embryos. In truth, science has documented examples of newborns born with a fetus inside, despite the fact that they are extremely rare. They only occurred once every 500,000 births. Although it was not the first time, a baby was born with 2 fetuses within. That was the doctor's explanation. Apparently, the daughter was one of the triplets, but during pregnancy, her body absorbed the bodies of her brothers. Dream Birch, an American gynecologist who examines cases of children being born with a fetus inside them, has concluded that these may simply be exceptional cases of a much more common condition. In these circumstances, though one fetus vanishes totally and their brother or sister is born healthy, because the girl couldn't grow and develop with 2 embryos inside her, she had to endure a complex surgery at the age of 3 weeks. Both fetuses were removed by the doctors. One weighed 9 grams, while the other weighed 14.5 grams. This weight is roughly equivalent to 8 to 10 weeks of pregnancy. Doctors were even able to figure out their gender. Because they were both boys, the baby girl may have had 2 siblings if her mother's pregnancy had gone smoothly. The experts are baffled as to what exactly causes this type of abnormality during pregnancy. The most important thing is that the procedure went well and the girl is now perfectly healthy. Even such unusual and complicated instances can have a happy conclusion, or rather a happy beginning, thanks to increased levels of modern science and the doctor's efforts, as the girl's life is only beginning and there are still so many pleasant moments ahead of her. The birth of a child is undoubtedly a marvel, but we must remember that the same wizards who make this miracle possible live among us in white coats. So what are your thoughts on this incredible story? If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might enjoy it as well. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.